Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve square root of 2007 square minus 20,070 plus 31. So let's start with the today's video solution. Now, firstly, we can write 20,070 as 2007 times 10 plus 31. Now I'm taking the substitution. So let's substitute 2007 is equals to x. So it's look like x square minus 10x plus 31. Now here I'm going to use the formula of a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this in terms of this formula as x square minus 2 times of a, that is x, of b, 5. So b square will be 5 square. So if I'll add 5 square, so I have to subtract 5 square also to make the balance. Now it becomes the formula of x minus 5 whole square. And here minus 5 square is minus 25 plus 31 in square root. Now x minus 5 whole square minus 25 plus 31 is plus 6. And in place of x, we'll make the substitution, that is 2007. So 2007 minus 5 whole square plus 6. 2007 minus 5 plus 2002 whole square plus 6. And the square of 2002 is 4008004. You can use the identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can write 2000 plus 2 whole square, and then you'll reach the answer 08004 plus 6. After adding 6, this looks like 4008010. Now this is the square root of, after doing long division method or to find the prime factorization and pairing up, then you get 2002.0014. That's how you can solve this type of problem. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.